Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is STATIN Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. STATIN said the amount of people when now work for the month of July this year go down by 8.5%. Crime Stop Jamaica a give $200,000 to anybody who can help them lock up Davian Bryan, the man who them claims to take a 2 girls from Bath St. Thomas. Some report come out say one group of people kill one man in a St. Thomas yesterday after them think him did the man would take the 2 girls in the parish. America President Joe Biden saying plan for vaccinate millions of picnic in the country between the age of 5 to 11 as soon as him get the go-ahead so them can get the COVID-19 shot. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. STATIN said the amount of people who now work for the month of July this year go down by 8.5%. This go down by 4.1% when you look on the 12.6% for the same time last year. According to Carol Coy, who runs STATIN, them do one labor force survey for the month and it shows that people who now work go down by 30.4%. The number of men who now work go down by 43.4% and the number of women who now work go down by 30.4%. On top of that, Coy said the number them shows that the youth them who now work between the age of 14 to 24 go down by 6.4% when you look on the same time last year. Crime Stop Jamaica a give $200,000 to anybody who can help them lock up Davian Bryan, the man who them claims to take a 2 girls from Bath St. Thomas. Them ask people for call Crime Stop on 311, the Morant Bay Police on 876-982-1027, Police 119 are the nearest police station. On top of that, the police still beg the people them in the parish for watch them picnic and not send them nowhere by themselves and not left them by themselves. The police claims that Bryan took a 9-year-old Felicia Pusha on Thursday, October 14 and 13-year-old Winshea Barrett on Saturday, October 16. The Portland police are look for Bryan too cause him run with one gun and gunshot charge in the parish. Some report come out that one group of people kill one man in a St. Thomas yesterday after them think him did the man would take the 2 girls in the parish. The dead man are Levy Chambers who work at one car place and live in a South Haven in a yellow St. Thomas. The police said the man had go and come. This means say he mad sometimes. According to the police, Mr. Chambers left him yard for go work yesterday, but him get lost and end up in a landway. Some people see him on the road and stop him and did ask him some question. Them say Mr. Chambers run and the people them run him down and stab him up in his belly. According to Superintendent Alistair Byfield, or the commanding officer for the St. Thomas Police Division, people call the police little after that and them rush him go hospital where doctor say him dead. She said the police are look for the people them who do the mob killing and she have begged the people them for done with the mob killing and make the police do them work. Jack Ure a go back to court next week in the Netherlands to find out what the court a go do to him. Him did go before the council chamber Tuesday gone and them lock him up for 7 more days. Him in a lock up from the 2nd of October. Some report as a Jack Ure did stab one promoter in his belly after them catch up over some money. Them said the man report to go on to the police and them lock him up after. If the court say him guilty, he might go prison for 15 years. Nyuuz and foreign. America President Joe Biden saying plan for vaccinate millions of picnic in the country between the age of 5 to 11 as soon as him get the go-ahead so them can get the COVID-19 vaccine shot. Him say him now set up no big site like how him do with the big people them, but him a go set up some clinic in the picnic hospital them all over the country and them are going to work with the doctor office them, the pharmacy them, and the school them. The White House say if the Pfizer vaccine get the go-ahead from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, them are going to roll it out quick. The FDA people them are look over the Pfizer, BioNTech to see if Pickney must get the 2-dose vaccine. People, remember the curfew are from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just gave the news in the Jamaican language.